audio, right?
(143). In page 143, we were talking about suffix. If you can remember that, we were talking about prefix. So what is the difference between prefix and suffix? Prefix at the beginning of the word. For example, replay, at the beginning of the word. So prefix, as we were talking before. Prefix at the beginning of the word. At the beginning of the word. Prefix, like unwise, at the beginning of the word. Like dislike, at the beginning of the word. This. But today we're talking about suffix. Suffix, it means at the end of the word. At the end of the word. For example, we have the word help. Okay, so we're gonna say helpless. So here we have help, and at the end of the word we have less. At the end of the word we have less. Again, we were talking before about what? About prefix. Prefix at the beginning of the word is coming here. But here we were talking at the end, or you can say at the end of the word. At the end of the word. So help, it will be helpless. What does it mean by helpless? So here we're gonna say what? Less means with or without. And we have full means that one with one L. I'm sorry, with one L. Only one L. I'm sorry. With one L. So we're gonna remove that one. Sorry again. Okay, with one L. I'm sorry. Okay, full, that means fall of. So here, if we need to say, what does it mean by helpless, teacher? Teacher, what does it mean by helpless? That means with, I said what? Less means without. So we're gonna say without help. We're gonna say what? Without help. More examples. We have help. We're gonna say what? We're gonna say helpful. Teacher, what does it mean by helpful? We said full means full means full of. So full means full of. So full of what? Full of help. That's it. So we're talking about what? We're talking about suffix. What does it mean by suffix? Suffix at is coming at the end of the word. At the end of that word. Suffix, a part at the end of the word. A part at the end of the word. Okay? It changes that meaning. That means, for example, full means full of. Less means without. For example, hopeful, that means full of hope. Hopeless, that means without hope. That means without what? Without